Alright, welcome guys to the third day of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's dried result. Somebody actually pointed out that you can actually kind of see like a turtle in there, and I love that. I think it looks so cool. I love the rainbows that came out, and it dried pretty well. It only cracked in like one spot, so that's super nice. Today we have Nehemiah with us, and he wants to help us do a Superman pour.
Okay.
Superman pour, yep. So we are going to do a puddle pour today. So I'm going to start with my background, coloring it. I want to do half black, half white. Okay, so first we're going to start with Phthalo Blue by Liquitex Basics. We're just going to do a puddle pour. So no silicone.
No.
I want it to be more linear.
Alright.
Alright. Oh, I'm sorry. This is not Phthalo Blue, it's Catboy, according to Nehemiah. And now this is primary primary red by Liquitex Basics. But Owlet, according to Nehemiah.
Sticky black.
Sticky Splat?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is Sticky Splat or Gold by Liquitex Basics.
Sticky black?
Alright, do you want to move it around now, or do you want to do another layer of each color?
Yeah.
Which one? Do you want to do another? No, we already got that. Oh, you want to do black on there? Okay, you can do black.
Black, cause black means a wheel.
Okay. Alright, should we stretch it now?
Yeah.
Stretch it? Alright, let's move it.
Maybe move it. Okay. Move. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Where should I go?
Still here.
Okay, this way?
Yeah, this way.
Okay. Now, this way?
Yeah.
Okay, that way. Now this way?
Yeah. It's really easy. Mommy do it.
Yeah, you like it like that? Or should I keep moving it? Okay, where should I move it toward? This way?
Yeah. Go the pop, pop.
Alright, should I keep moving it or should I stop?
Stop.
Okay, stop. Alright, you like that?
Superman.
Yeah, Superman? That's awesome. Alright, let's torch it.
It's working?
Oh, Nehemiah, watch out. You gotta be careful, okay, buddy?
Sorry.
It's okay. You just gotta be careful around the paintings.
It's really into it. So I'm going to move it. More and more.
You want more?
Yeah.
You want to do another puddle on top of this? Okay. Which colors? Which one? Which one should I start with? This one? Okay, and where should I put it?
There.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's working.
Alright, what color next?
Yeah.
Do it again. Alright, and then what color? No, we don't use that.
Yeah.
This one? Black.
You move this, okay?
Okay, move it. Which way should I move it?
This.
Towards this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Like that?
Is this? Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
this way?
Yeah. Yeah.
This way?
Yeah. Stop. 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 Stop.
This way?
Yeah. That one? That's where you move it.
This way?
Yeah. Go flip there. No.
Alright, you want me to stop or keep moving?
Stop.
Stop?
Yes.
Alright. Is this piece done?
Yeah.
It's done? Alright. Torch it.
Always smile.
Oh, we got some white spots coming up through there.
Yeah.
Alright. According to Nehemiah, this painting is done today. I hope you guys enjoyed our little puddle pour. And thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you tomorrow with the dried result. Alright, and here is a close-up of the Superman puddle pour that Nehemiah and I did. I think he gave me some great direction, and I love the colors he chose. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys tomorrow.